Climb a tree on ladder barrel. So your client is gonna start stepping up on the ladder barrel, turning to face the ladder, sitting low on the apex. They're gonna wanna try to sit super high. You wanna sit lower than you would think. Feet hook underneath the top rung, parallel. You really wanna hook for safety. You're gonna think like stomach massage, 2 shoulders over 2 hips. From here, you unhook one leg. Neil's gonna unhook his right and then pump 3 times. Exhale 3, inhale, exhale 2, 1 more. Find that length. Keep using the abdominals so you don't roll back yet. Pull, find that stretch. Start to roll back 1 vertebrae at a time, walking down the leg, climbing your tree all the way down, releasing head, neck, and shoulders, making sure your client doesn't rotate into one side, feeling the stability. Tuck your chin into your chest, curling up, pulling from that foot, keeping the safety, not letting them unhook. We're gonna do that 1 more time, walking down the leg, using the abdominals to peel back 1 vertebrae at a time. Keeping that hook for safety. Arms are gonna reach overhead, finding the floor for an advancement. Finding that floor, you extend and then reach the opposite leg up. I'm keeping on my weight to hold just in case it slides. We articulate through the glutes and abdominals to find our pike and then dismount 1 leg at a time, finding our feet, bending our knees, rolling up 1 vertebrae at a time. And that is climb the tree on ladder barrel.